Hi students, welcome to ANR classes. Today we will discuss some important topics in organic chemistry. That is the very important topic, aromatic character. Aromatic character. So how to identify the given compound? This is aromatic or non-aromatic or anti-aromatic. The conjugation is there, that is first identify the ring compounds or not. So aromatic nature present in ring compounds only. Ring compounds only that have conjugation. For example, there is no conjugation in this compound. There is no conjugation. This is the non-aromatic compound. It is a non-aromatic compound. There is no conjugation. Double bond, single bond, again single bond is there. There is no conjugated system. So this molecule, in this molecule, pi electrons are not delocalized. So it is a non-aromatic compound, non-conjugation, no delocalization of electrons that take place. That is non-aromatic compound. That is non-aromatic compound. So ring is there, the conjugated system is there, and pi electrons and lone pair of electrons involved in delocalization and follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. That is the aromatic compound. That is a aromatic compound. So not follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It follow the 4n. It follow the 4n. That is the anti-aromatic. 4n pi electrons, that is the anti-aromatic. Conjugation, delocalization of pi electrons are there, that is the planar structure, and ring compounds. This is aromaticity is the property of ring compounds or cyclic compounds. Property of aromatic compound. So nothing but aromaticity is the property of ring compounds. Property of ring compound or cyclic compounds. So in ring is there, conjugation is there, delocalization of pi electrons and lone pairs are take place and follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. That compounds are called as aromatic compounds. So conjugation is there, ring is there, delocalization of pi electrons are take place, delocalization of pi electrons are take place, and 4n pi electrons follow the 4n pi electrons. That is the anti-aromatic. That is a anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic means 4n pi electrons. It follow the 4n pi electrons. Aromatic compound means it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. There is no conjugation. There is no delocalization of pi electrons that take place. That is the non-aromatic compound. That is a non-aromatic compound. That compounds are non-aromatic compounds. There is no ring, that are non-aromatic compounds. Ring is there. Ring is there. How to identify the aromatic or non-aromatic or anti-aromatic? Ring is not there. Ring is not there. Aliphatic compounds. All aliphatic compounds are non-aromatic compounds. All aliphatic compounds are non-aromatic compounds. So ring is there. Conjugation is there, delocalization of pi electrons are take place, and lone pairs also involved in delocalization, and 4n plus 2 pi electrons are follow. That is the Huckel's rule. That is the aromatic. Here 4n pi electrons follow that molecule. That is the anti-aromatic compound. That is a anti-aromatic compounds. So here some examples are given, which is the aromatic, which are non-aromatic. I will explain now. So here stability of the compounds, aromatic compounds are more stable than non-aromatic compounds. Non-aromatic compounds are more stable than anti-aromatic compounds. Anti-aromatic compounds are less stable. So this is the very important order. Aromatic compounds are more stable than non-aromatic compounds. Non-aromatic compounds are more stable than anti-aromatic compounds. So once I will explain this all examples one by one. Once look at the board. So example 1. It have ring. It have ring compound. First condition is follow this ring compound. And next, conjugation is there or not? Conjugation is there or not this molecule? So this molecule there is no conjugation. Why? Because here conjugation nothing but double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond like that. Here there is no conjugation. Here double bond is there. Here single bond. Here single bond. So in this molecule there is no delocalization of electrons take place. So it is a non-aromatic compound. So first one is a non-aromatic compound. So next, second example, how to check it. So next, so here a ring is there. First condition is it is follow the first condition ring. And next, conjugation is there or not? Here minus and plus also involved in conjugation, double bond, single bond. Here minus is there, again single bond is there, double bond. This have conjugation. The pi electrons and lone pair of electrons involved in conjugation. These electrons involved in here, this electron go to here. So here pi bond is formed, here negative. And next, pi electrons involved, so this pi electron go to this carbon. So here minus. So pi electrons in this molecule, pi electrons are involved in delocalization, involved in conjugation. Pi electrons are involved in delocalized. The pi electrons are delocalized pi electrons, not a localized pi electrons. Delocalization is take place in these molecules. So conjugated system. This is the conjugated system. But next, it is a planar molecule. So first condition is satisfied, second condition is satisfied, third condition is satisfied. But this is the polo 4n plus 2 or not? 4n plus 2 pi electrons or not? Here how many pi electrons are there, students? Here 4 pi electrons. That means electron also. Here also 2 electrons are there. Here 2. Total electrons 4. That equal to 4n plus 2 equal to 4. So 4n equal to 2. N equal to 1 by 2. So this is not a whole number. Here n values whole numbers. To get whole numbers, it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. Here not get whole number. Here fractional value is there. So this molecule not follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, but conjugation is there. It is the conjugated system. It is a conjugated system, but it not follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, and it not follow the Appel's rule. Next, it is follow the 4n or not? 4n pi electrons or not? Here 4n equal to 4, n equal to 1. 4n equal to 4, n equal to 1. So this molecule follows 4n rule. It follows the 4n rule. That's why it is a anti-aromatic compound. It is a anti-aromatic compounds. It is a anti-aromatic compound. Why? Because it follows 4n pi electrons. It follows the 4n pi electrons. That is the anti-aromatic. It is a non-aromatic. It is anti-aromatic. So next, third example. So here plus is there. Here plus. Number of pi electrons. Here 4n plus 2 equal to 2 only. This is the conjugated system. And plus is involved in resonance like minus. So this is involved in resonance, and delocalization of pi electrons that take place in these molecules. In this molecule, it follow the 4n plus 2 or not. So 4n equal to 0. So n equal to 0. That is also correct. It follow the 4n plus 2 electrons. Why? Here n get 0, 1, 2, 3 are there. That is follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons rule. So a ring is there and pi electrons involved in delocalization or conjugated system delocalized. Here pi electrons are delocalized pi electrons. So it is a planar molecule. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. That is the very, very important. So here 3 examples are there. So first example is a non-aromatic, second example is a anti-aromatic, third example is a aromatic compound. Which is the most stable? Which is the most stable molecule? So which is the most stable, students? Aromatic compound is more stable than. So third one is more stable than first one. First one is more stable than second one. Why second one is less stable? That is the anti-aromatic compound. Anti-aromatic compounds are less stable. Anti-aromatic compounds are less stable. So next, fourth example. So this is the conjugation is not there. Ring is there. This molecule have ring and conjugation is not there. Double bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. There is no conjugation. So it is a non-aromatic compound. There is no conjugation. There is no conjugation. The pi electrons not delocalized. The pi electrons not delocalized. This is not polo or not. For no need to check the 4n plus 2 or polo or not. So here there is no conjugation. This is the non-aromatic compound. Non-aromatic compound. Aromatic compound. Next one, fifth example. How to check it? It is polo or not. So here fifth example. Here plus is there. Plus. So here single bond, double bond, single bond, here plus is there, conjugation is there, up to now here conjugation is there, here conjugation is break. So in total ring there is no conjugation, total ring there is no conjugation, ring is there but there is no conjugation, it is also non-aromatic compound, non-aromatic compound, it is also non-aromatic compound. So next example, here minus is there. Minus is there. So double bond, single bond, minus up to here conjugation is there. Here conjugation is break for this carbon. Here conjugation is break. So there is no conjugation throughout the ring. There is no conjugation throughout the ring. Here pi electrons and here lone pair involve in conjugation, involve in delocalization. Delocalized. These electrons are delocalized throughout the ring, not throughout the ring up to this carbon. So ring conjugation is not completed. So this is also non-aromatic compound. This is also non-aromatic compound. So next, there is no complete conjugation throughout the ring. So next, example 7 and 8. Example 7. So here 2 plus means here 2 plus are there in this ring. So 1 pi bond, 2 plus. So double bond, single bond, plus again plus is there, and single bond and conjugation is there. Throughout the ring conjugation is there. So these pi electrons go to here. Here form minus, here plus, plus and minus form double bond, here plus, here plus. So next, the pi electrons go to this carbon, double bond, plus and plus. So here pi electrons involved in conjugation, that are pi electrons are delocalized. That pi electrons are delocalized in a throughout the system, throughout the ring. So it is a conjugated system. It have a planar structure. This ring have planar, this ring planar structure. So it is follow the 4n or 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It follow the 4n, that is the anti-aromatic. It follow the 4n plus 2, that is the aromatic compound. It is a conjugated system. It is a planar. It is a planar molecule. So it follow the 4n plus 2 or not. 4n plus 2 equal to 2 electrons. Here plus no electrons. So 4n equal to 0, n equal to 0. So n value get 0, 1, 2, 3 or it follow that rule. It follow that rule. So n equal to 0. So this molecule follows the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is an aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. So next, very very important. Minus 2 minus means this is the compound, that is the example 8. So here also conjugation is there, double bond, single bond, minus conjugation is there, that lone pairs and pi electrons involved in conjugated system throughout the ring, and delocalization is take place. Delocalization of pi electrons are take place in this ring. So it follow the 4n plus 2 or not. 4n plus 2 equal to 6 pi electrons. So 4n equal to 4, n equal to 1. So n value get 0, 1, 2, 3 or so on. That is the follow that rule. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. Next. So 9, example 9. So it have conjugation or not. It have conjugation or not. Here very very important, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond conjugation is there. The pi electrons involved in conjugated system. So like that. So this is involved in conjugation, involved in resonance. So here pi electrons are delocalized. Here pi electrons are delocalized. It follow the 4n plus 2 or 4n plus 2 pi electrons. 4n or 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So once again 4n plus 2 follow or not. 4n plus 2 equal to 4 electrons. Here 4n equal to 2, n equal to 1 by 2. It not follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. How to say? Here n value 0, 1, 2, 3 only, not 1 by 2, 1 by 3 like that. So n value negative or fractional values not possible. So here n values 0, 1, 2, 3 are there. It follow that rule. So it not follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. It follow the 4n or not. One second. So 4n equal to 4. So n equal to 1. It follow the 4n rule. It follow the 4n. So it is an anti-aromatic compound. It is a anti-aromatic compound. It have ring and planar nature. Delocalization of electrons that take place. And throughout the system is a conjugated system. It follow the 4n pi electrons rule. So 4n pi electrons rule. It follow the 4n pi electrons rule. So it is a aromatic compound. It follow the 4n pi electrons. That is the anti-aromatic compound. That is a anti-aromatic compound. That is the very very important. That is a very very important. So this molecule non-aromatic compound. This is the non-aromatic compound. This is the non-aromatic compound. Why? Because there is no complete conjugation is there. So here aromatic nature, it is aromatic, it is a aromatic compound, it is a non-aromatic or anti-aromatic, it is a anti-aromatic compound, it is a anti-aromatic compounds. So aromatic compounds are more stable than Non-aromatic compounds are more stable than anti-aromatic compounds. So next, 5-number rings. So example 10. Five-number ring. So in this ring is there, but there is no conjugation, there is no delocalization of pi electrons. Here delocalization is not take place. Why? Because there is no conjugation. There is no conjugation. Double bond, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond. Here pi electrons not involved in here pi electrons not a delocalized pi electrons. Not a delocalized pi electrons. Here 4 and it is a no need to check the 4 n plus 2 pi electron follow or not. So it is a non-aromatic compound. Why? Because there is no conjugation. Non-aromatic compound. It is a non-aromatic compound. So next, example 11. It is conjugation there or not. So double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, single bond is there. Here conjugation is not completed. So it is also non-aromatic compound. Next, example 12. Here plus. So here ring is there, conjugation is there, here double bond, single bond, here plus and single bond, double bond, single bond, here conjugation is there. Here pi electrons involved in resonance. Here pi electrons involved in resonance. So the pi electrons go to this carbon. This pi electrons go to this carbon, and this pi electrons go to this carbon. So here plus minus form one pi bond, here also plus minus form one pi bond, here plus is there. So the pi electrons involved in resonance, the pi electrons are delocalized pi electrons. So it have planar nature, this molecule have planar nature, it is a planar molecule. Now it is follow the 4 n plus 2 pi electrons or 4 n pi electrons. It follow the 4 n plus 2 pi electrons, that is the aromatic compound. It follow the 4 n pi electrons, that is a anti-aromatic compound. So 4 n plus 2 equal to here 4. So 4 n equal to 2, n equal to 1 by 2. It not follow the 4 n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is not a aromatic compound, but it is a planar molecule. The pi electrons are delocalized pi electrons. Here pi electrons are delocalized pi electrons. So it follow the 4 n or not. So 4 n equal to 4. So n equal to 1. Conjugation is there, planar nature is there. It follow the 4 n pi electrons. So it is a anti-aromatic compound. These two are non-aromatic compounds. So next go to example 13. So it is a aromatic or not. First you have to check it, ring is there or not. Ring is there and pi electrons are there and conjugation is there or not. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double and minus is there, single bond is there. This is the conjugation is there. So here pi electrons are lone pairs come to here. This pi electrons go to this carbon. So here pi bond is formed. Here minus is formed. This carbon. So this carbon have minus. This carbon have minus. This carbon get positive charge. This electrons go to here. So that pi electrons are delocalized pi electrons, not a localized electrons. So here pi bond is formed, here minus is there. So here minus means two electrons, that is the electron pair, that is the electron pairs. Here lone pairs and pi electrons involve in conjugation, involve in resonance, that electrons are delocalized pi electrons and delocalized lone pair. So it follow the 4n plus 2 or 4n. So one second. So 4n plus 2 equal to, here minus indicates 2 electrons. So total electrons are 6 electrons. Here 4n equal to 4, n equal to 1. So it follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So here n value get 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It follow that rule. So next, here second one's 4n equal to 6. So here n equal to 4n equal to, so n equal to, here n equal to 3 by 2. It is not follow the 4n rule. So it is not a anti-aromatic, it is a aromatic molecule. It is a aromatic molecule. So these are very, very important examples. Non-aromatic, it is anti-aromatic, it is a aromatic compounds. So here 13, 12 and 11, 10, which is most stable, So aromatic compounds are most stable, when compared to remaining molecules. So here 13 is most stable then, these two are non-aromatic compounds, and next 11 is most stable then. Why? Because some conjugation is there here. So next 10, next 12. 12 is very less stable. Why? Because that is the anti-aromatic compound. So next go to example 14, 15, 16. These are very, very important examples, heterocyclic compounds. Here 5 number ring. Have here minus is there, that is the anti-aromatic or aromatic compound. It is a aromatic compound. Here minus is there, that is the aromatic compound. So in place of minus, a negative atoms, that means most electronegative atoms that have lone pairs. For example, oxygen, nitrogen. So next sulfur, have lone pairs, and phosphorus. So here one lone pair involved in resonance and delocalized in conjugated system. Is one lone pair involved in conjugated system. The pi electrons are delocalized. Here pi electrons are delocalized. Here lone pair is involved in resonance. So here only one lone pair involved in resonance. Here also one lone pair involved in resonance. Here also one lone pair involved in resonance. So in conjugated system, delocalization of pi electrons. How many delocalization of pi electrons? Here 6, here also 6, here also 6, here also 6. How to remember? Here minus is there. In place of minus, lone pair atoms are there. That is the aromatic molecule. These all molecules follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So 4n plus 2 equal to 6. So n equal to 1. We follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. These all molecules are aromatic molecules. In place of minus, here heteroatom, lone pair atoms are there. That are aromatic compounds. It is very, very important. So this is the aromatic compound. It is also aromatic compound. So now this is the aromatic compound or not, once check it. So 17. A double bond O is there. The pi electrons, the oxygen accept the pi electrons, that pi electron go to oxygen. Here plus is formed in this carbon, O minus. So here double bond is there. Conjugation is there, but this is follow the 4n pi electrons. 4n pi electrons equal 4n equal to 4. So n equal to 1, it is the aromatic compound. Here plus is there, pi number ring, 1 plus is there, that is the aromatic compound or anti-aromatic compound, it is a anti-aromatic compound. Minus is there, that is the aromatic compound. Minus is there, that is the anti-aromatic or aromatic compound. This is the anti-aromatic, this is the aromatic compound. So next, here double bond O. So example 18, double bond O. So here lone phase, this pi electrons go to oxygen. Here plus is formed. Here plus is formed. So here plus. So conjugation is there, including plus. This is the conjugated system. It follow the 4n plus 2 or not. 4n plus 2 equal to 4n plus 2 equal to 4n plus 2 equal to 2. So 4n equal to 0. 4n equal to 0. So n equal to 0. We follow the 4n plus 2 pi electrons. So it is a aromatic, it is a non-anti-aromatic. So it is have more dipole moment. Why? Because here charge separation is more take place.